The beautiful boardwalk. We filmed this before, a couple years ago. Well, we're here tonight. This is that flying fish place. As the sun goes down in Orlando, Florida, at the boardwalk. Beautiful. Not only that, it smells awesome. There's Phil over here, he's not too happy.
Madison, the shoe baby. You came back. I wasn't even expecting you. You're early. I was expecting you next show. But let's do it right now. If you'd like to follow along with Madison while she does this, please hold. Thank you. Do so because it feels really good and it doesn't cost you anything. Here's what I need. I need you to focus on something that makes your heart happy, and we don't have to talk about it. And it can be really wonderful.
There.
Where was that couple from?
It's a swan and dolphin.
So dynamic. They all believe you. It's real. It's the real deal. Holyfield. We find Deadpool. What's your first name? Matt, can you see the twist?
We're gonna have pizza. We've had the pizza here a couple years ago. It was good.
We borrow these from the
Although my favorite corn dog place is not open no
What's your
more.
first name?
Man, they make good
Alan,
corn dogs
just
there
for
too.
likable. You understand? I want you to try to untwist it, Alan. Let them know it's not a trick. It's real. Here's the secret. That's inside.
Sun's going down on the boardwalk.
So you know there's nothing funny. I have to say to Mary Autumn, this is the most
The pepperoni's pizza here on the boardwalk. Pretty good, guys. Diane's got one piece of two. As the sun goes down, we're enjoying our last evening in Orlando. It's been 11 days. Disney World. We started at Magic Kingdom. Then we went to Animal Kingdom. Then we went to Disney Springs. Then we went to Hollywood Studios. No, then we went to Epcot. Then we went to Hollywood Studios. Then we got on the Disney Wish. Then we went to Nassau. Then we went to Castaway Cay. Now we're back at the boardwalk enjoying pizza. Gotta make everybody happy, right? Who doesn't like pepperoni pizza? We've been to the boardwalk before at night. It's cool. It's nice. This is a nice night too. It's not hot at all out here. Not very humid. Very nice night. I'm saying it's about 88. It's cool. It's nice. Okay. I'm gonna eat. I can tell you one thing. It smells really good out here. I was just telling Diane, it just smells like a good time. I smell the fire pit over there where they're cooking marshmallows and the pizza, the restaurants that are here. It smells awesome. Last night in Orlando, guys. We're out of here. Until next year. Getting on the Disney Magic. And January 8th.
Let's change the technique.
With our new friends, Jody and Maddie. We can't wait to see you guys. I hope you're watching the videos. We had a great time on the Wish. It was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ship. It's not my favorite. The Magic still has something in my heart. I don't know what it is.
All right, nice talk. I'll email you. Nice talking to you. I'll email you the finale.
We love Disney World. This is a kick-ass place, guys. If you've never been, hit me up. I'll give you some pointers. We've done almost everything here over the years, and they keep building new stuff. We keep trying.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
You can rent these little 4-wheel bikes and ride the boardwalk. Boardwalk at night, guys. It really is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful resort, this one. You have the means to stay here. I would highly suggest it. If not, you can come visit the boardwalk. Just gotta get here on Disney transportation on the boat system here. September 2023. It is just beautiful out here. I'm saying it's about 80 degrees. It feels awesome. As a matter of fact, there's a little chill in the air with a little bit of wind. It feels kind of good, guys. There, she's looking at a penny machine. Is that a penny machine? It is a penny machine. I guess she's decided against it. The Disney Wish. So I'm gonna give the critique right now, sitting here at the boardwalk. I'm gonna say the best ship in the Disney fleet is still the Disney Magic. And guess what? I heard they're gonna start Magic bands on October 11th. I thought I read. So now you're not gonna need to have a key to the world card to get in and out of your stateroom. You can get a Magic band and wear it and do all your charges and so forth with that instead of having a key to the world card around your neck. Then I would say probably the Disney Fantasy would probably be number 2. Number 3, I would say the Wonder. Number 4, the Dream. Number 5, the Wish. The reason I'm giving the Wish lower marks is because I just feel like you know, the ship design is strange. If you get on the Fantasy, the Dream, the Magic, any of the other 4, you're gonna feel comfortable getting on all 4 of those because you're gonna feel like, well, you're gonna feel like they feel the same. But when you get on the Disney Wish, it's gonna feel, wow, what am I on? This is a whole different experience. And well, it's just a different experience. But don't get me wrong, the ship is beautiful, guys. The artwork on the ship is fantastic. The decor on the ship is fantastic. The staterooms are beautiful. The showers are beautiful. Some of the noticeable differences in the stateroom were they had night lights in the bathroom, which were cool underneath the counters. So when you woke up at night to take care of business, you didn't have to turn on the bright lights, which is cool. I like that aspect of it. None of the others had it. Dinah and I always bring a night light that we can. It's just one that you plug in, or a battery operated one. But this one had it underneath the counter, so that was cool. So there's no all the barbecue. The Disney Wish has awesome barbecue, and the fast service restaurants on the Deck 11 are really good. I mean, almost good enough where you don't even have to eat anywhere else. You can just eat there. You eat the pizza. They had the burrito bowl area, which is another area they don't have on the Fantasy or the Dream or any of the other ships. So, and of course they got they don't have the aqueduct. They have I don't even know what it's called. It's something else. And we didn't even get time to get on that. These 4-day sailings are so short. I just hate them. I feel like I get on them, and then I'm packing and I'm packing back up and I'm off the ship. The only thing bad about a cruise is the last day getting off the cruise ship is well, it's a riot, man. To say anything less than that would be hypothetical. I would say if you're gonna go on a cruise, take as little luggage as possible and do a walk-off, or wake up as early as possible and get off the ship, because once you battle this 4,500 people trying to get off a cruise ship, it takes a while and you could be standing in line. So take note for that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you later. Hug somebody you love. Peace. Here you go. I hear fireworks going off. I don't know where they're at. Can't see them, but I sure hear them. Hear them? Probably coming from Fantasmic. Because it's night land at 9 o'clock. There they are. Look. We're not gonna see much because they don't really blow too much fireworks out there. They're fantastic.